today we would be discussing about combustion and flame. So let's start. So what is combustion? Combustion is basically a chemical reaction in which a substance reacts or chemically combines with oxygen to give its oxide. And this reaction is accompanied by the release of heat and light energy, and this reaction is said to be combustion. For example, let us discuss the combustion of carbon. So the reaction is written as follows: combustion of carbon produces carbon dioxide. Next, let's discuss about ignition temperature. So the lowest temperature to which a substance must be heated before it catches fire is known as its ignition temperature. For example, the ignition temperature of phosphorus is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, so next, the conditions necessary for combustion are, so there are basically three factors which are necessary for combustion. These are oxygen or supply of air, heat and fuel. So let's read them. Conditions necessary for combustion: heat, availability of fuel and supply of air or oxygen. Let's discuss about flame. So what is flame? A flame is the shining zone in which the combustible gaseous material undergo combustion, producing heat and light energy. So you could see from the figure what is flame. So there are three zones of a flame. Let us discuss them. So the outermost zone is blue and it is the zone of complete combustion. Middle zone, which is visible to the eye, and it is a zone of partial combustion. It is yellow in color. And the lowermost zone, which is the innermost zone of unburnt wax, and it is black in color. So now let us discuss about the calorific value. So what is calorific value? Calorific value is basically the amount of energy produced by the combustion of 1 kg of any fuel. It is known as its calorific value. For example, hydrogen has the highest calorific value and its calorific value is 1,50,000 kilojoules per kg. Okay, let's talk about ideal fuel. So what is ideal fuel? So there are certain qualities of a good fuel or ideal fuel. So it must be readily available, it must be of low cost, it must be easy to store and transport, it must have high calorific value, and it should not pollute. So it must not emit harmful or poisonous gases or smoke. And last but not the least, it should leave less residue or less ash. So that was all. Thank you.